What if I told you that in 2026, you can build a stunning, architect-worthy home for a fraction of what most people think it costs? And the secret is not cutting corners, it is cutting clutter. Most people assume that a beautiful modern home comes with a terrifying price tag. But what if the homes that look the most expensive are actually some of the most affordable to build? That is exactly what we are unpacking today. Stay with me until the very end, because the last design on this list is the one that shocks people the most, and it might just be the one that changes everything for your build. If you are new here, welcome to Affordable Homes and Plans, the channel where we break down real designs, real costs, and real building strategies for people who want a great home without losing their minds over the budget. Hit that subscribe button right now and turn on notifications so you never miss a video like this one. Let us get into it. Modern minimalism has quietly become the smartest building philosophy of this decade. And in 2026, with construction material costs still fluctuating and labor prices higher than ever in most regions, the principles behind minimalist design are not just about aesthetics anymore. They are about financial survival for everyday builders. Less is not just more beautiful. Less is genuinely less expensive to build, less expensive to maintain, and less expensive to run over the lifetime of the home. Today we are walking through the most compelling modern minimalist house designs that are not only gorgeous but are proving to be among the most cost-effective builds of 2026. Design 1. The single-volume box home. Let us start with a design that has taken the self-build world by storm. The single-volume box home. This is exactly what it sounds like. One clean rectangular or square footprint, flat or monopitch roof, minimal external features, and a completely open interior that the owner can configure to their own lifestyle. What makes this design so powerful in 2026 is how it interacts with modern construction costs. Builders and quantity surveyors consistently confirm that simple geometry is the #1 driver of construction savings. Every corner you add to a building is a cost. Every roof valley, every bay projection, every architectural flourish adds labor time and material complexity. The box home eliminates all of that. You get maximum internal square footage per dollar spent, and the exterior still looks sharply modern because clean lines are inherently contemporary. In terms of materials, box homes in 2026 are being finished with fiber cement panels, board and batten cladding, and rendered blockwork, all of which are durable, low maintenance, and significantly more affordable than stone or face brick. A single-volume box home in the 1,000 to 1,200 square foot range is being completed in many regions for between $80,000 and $130,000 depending on finishes and location. That is a genuinely affordable number for a fully livable, visually striking modern home. Design 2. The L-Shaped Courtyard Home. Now, if you want to step up from the pure box but still keep your costs firmly controlled, the L-Shaped Courtyard Home is one of the smartest floor plan configurations available in 2026. The L-shape creates a natural semi-enclosed outdoor space, a courtyard or garden zone, that becomes an extension of the living area without requiring you to build a covered structure over it. This design works brilliantly in warm climates and increasingly in temperate ones too, because the courtyard creates passive ventilation and shading that meaningfully reduces cooling costs year-round. From a construction cost perspective, the L-shape does add one more external corner than the pure box, but it is still a fundamentally simple form that any competent contractor can price efficiently. What you gain is a spatial richness that makes the home feel far larger than its footprint suggests. Large sliding or pivot doors opening from the living area directly into the courtyard create a seamless indoor-outdoor experience that, in design terms, is worth a tremendous amount, and it costs almost nothing extra to achieve once the form is already planned correctly. Interior layouts in L-shaped minimalist homes in 2026 typically place the social spaces, kitchen, dining, living, along the long spine of the L, with bedrooms tucked into the shorter wing for maximum privacy. This separation of zones without the need for corridors is another cost saving. You are building every square foot as functional livable space rather than as circulation. Design 3. The Shed Roof Modern Home. The shed roof, a single sloping plane running in one direction, is having its biggest moment in residential architecture in 2026, and for very good reason. It is structurally simpler and cheaper to build than a gabled or hipped roof. It creates immediate visual drama through the angular silhouette, and it opens up the higher end of the roofline for clerestory windows that flood the interior with natural light without compromising privacy. Clerestory glazing is one of those design moves that feels luxurious but actually costs very little relative to the impact it delivers. You are adding light without adding a full window wall, which means you preserve wall insulation and structural integrity while achieving an interior that feels open, airy, and expensive. Shed roof homes are also exceptionally well suited to solar panel installation, which in 2026 is a near-universal conversation for new builds. A correctly oriented single-slope roof is essentially a purpose-built solar platform. The energy savings over the first decade of ownership more than offset any marginal premium on the roof structure itself. If you are building in 2026 and you are not factoring solar into your roof design from day one, you are leaving significant long-term savings on the table. Design 4. The Compact Two-Story Modern Home. Here is where things get really interesting for people building on smaller lots, particularly urban and peri-urban plots where land prices make a sprawling single-story footprint impractical. The Compact Two-Story Minimalist Home stacks the living program vertically on a tight footprint, which dramatically reduces the area of foundation and roof required per square foot of living space. Foundation and roofing are two of the most expensive elements of any build per square meter. When you go vertical, you are literally shrinking those costs while expanding your total floor area. A two-story minimalist home of 1,400 to 1,600 square feet built on a compact footprint can achieve foundation and roofing costs equivalent to a single-story home of 700 to 800 square feet. That is the arithmetic that is making Compact Two-Stories one of the most financially efficient typologies of 2026. The minimalist treatment is essential here. A compact two-story with complex roof lines, projecting balconies, and decorative facades quickly becomes expensive and visually chaotic. But a clean rendered or clad cube, possibly with one statement material like timber or metal cladding on the upper level, lands perfectly. It reads as intentional and contemporary rather than cramped or compromised. Design 5. The Passive Solar Minimalist Home. We cannot talk about affordable home design in 2026 without talking about passive solar strategy, and this design bakes it in from the ground up. A passive solar minimalist home is oriented so that the primary glazed facade faces the optimal solar direction for its hemisphere, south in the northern hemisphere, north in the southern. The floor plan concentrates living spaces on the glazed side and service spaces like bathrooms, storage, and utility rooms on the shaded side. The thermal mass of the floor, typically a polished concrete slab, which is both affordable and beautiful, absorbs heat during the day and releases it slowly at night. This is not futuristic technology. It is ancient physics applied with modern precision. What makes it a 2026 story is the convergence of improved glazing technology at lower prices, better insulation products at accessible costs, and an energy cost environment that makes running cost savings more valuable than ever before. A well-designed passive solar minimalist home can reduce heating and cooling energy consumption by 50 to 70% compared to a conventionally oriented home of equivalent size. Over a 20-year ownership period, that is a staggering financial advantage. The build cost premium for passive solar design is minimal, primarily the orientation decision and the glazing specification, but the lifetime return is enormous. Meet the builder, Deval. Now I want to talk about a builder that is genuinely worth knowing about if any of these designs are speaking to you. Deval, based in the United States, has become one of the most talked about names in modern prefabricated and modular home construction heading into 2026. What makes Deval stand out is that they have built their entire product philosophy around precisely the principles we have been discussing today. Their homes are designed to be energy self-sufficient, which means they integrate passive solar strategy, high-performance insulation, triple-glazed windows, and solar-plus storage systems as standard, not as expensive add-ons. Their construction process happens in a controlled factory environment, which eliminates the weather delays, waste, and labor inefficiencies that plague traditional site-built construction and inflate costs unpredictably. The result is a build timeline and a cost profile that are both dramatically more predictable than conventional construction. Their designs are clean, contemporary, and minimalist in exactly the way we have been describing throughout this video. If you are someone who wants the aesthetic and the performance of a modern minimalist home, but you are nervous about managing a custom build from scratch, Deval represents a genuinely credible path to getting there. I would encourage you to look them up, explore their current range, and have a conversation with their team about what is achievable for your specific plot, location, and budget. As always, do your own due diligence, compare multiple builders, and make the decision that is right for your circumstances. Why minimalism saves money in 2026 specifically. Let me give you the bigger picture context for why we are having this conversation in 2026 specifically and not just generically. Construction inflation over the past several years has been brutal. Material costs spiked hard during the supply chain disruptions of the early 2020s, and while some categories have stabilized, skilled labor costs have continued to climb in most markets. This means the cost penalty for complexity has never been higher. Every extra hour of skilled carpentry, every non-standard material specification, every architectural detail that requires custom fabrication. These line items are more expensive in 2026 than they have ever been. Minimalist design, almost by definition, minimizes all of these exposure points. You are specifying standard materials in standard sizes with standard installation methods. Your contractor can price it confidently, source it reliably, and build it efficiently. The contingency buffer you need to carry is smaller. The likelihood of budget blowout is lower. And the finished product, if the design is executed with care and intention, looks more elegant than a home twice its cost that is trying to do too many things at once. The interior language of affordable minimalism. One thing I want to address directly, because I see this question constantly in the comments, is how you achieve a genuinely beautiful minimalist interior without spending a fortune. The answer is restraint and precision. You do not need expensive furniture or rare materials. You need a coherent palette, typically 2 or 3 tones that relate to each other and to the architectural envelope of the home. You need light, natural light maximized through smart window placement, and artificial light that is warm, layered, and dimmable rather than harsh and flat. You need texture, the honest expression of your building materials, whether that is the grain of a timber ceiling, the surface of a polished concrete floor, or the slight variation in a lime wash wall finish. And you need to edit ruthlessly. The single biggest enemy of a minimalist interior is accumulation. Every object that is visible in the space either contributes to the composition or it detracts from it. Built-in storage that keeps visual clutter off surfaces is one of the highest return investments you can make in a minimalist home. And in 2026, there are excellent affordable cabinetry systems that achieve this without a custom joinery budget. So let us bring this together. Modern minimalist house design in 2026 is not a compromise. It is not what you do when you cannot afford something better. It is increasingly the intelligent, informed choice that people make when they understand construction economics, energy performance, and the relationship between design discipline and long-term financial well-being. The 5 designs we walked through today, the single-volume box, the L-Shaped Courtyard Home, the Shed Roof Modern, the Compact Two-Storey, and the Passive Solar Minimalist Home, represent genuinely buildable, genuinely affordable, and genuinely beautiful directions for your 2026 build. If you found real value in this video, please give it a like because it helps this content reach more people who are navigating the same building journey you are. Drop a comment below and tell me which of these 5 designs resonates most with you, or ask me anything about your specific situation and I will do my best to respond. And if you have not subscribed yet, now is the time. We have more videos coming on house plans, cost breakdowns, builder reviews, and design deep dives that you will not want to miss. Thank you for watching all the way to the end. I will see you in the next one.